On this axis, I set up the gauge. Had to set up the gauge this way, so we'll be able to see it. And we're gonna same thing. We already have a conversion done here. Let's drive in with this axis. We're gonna switch to left side mode, and we are already at Z. Let's drive it in. Let's speed it up for a 0.1 for setup. Let's drive it in. I want you to see the gauge. There it is, and maybe let's up. Oh, there it is. Let's do a 0 right here, somewhere the other side. And I set up the gauge on a tool post. There it is. It should be okay. So it should be rigid, more rigid than on any of the sheet metal on the machine. And right now let's do a W at 0. W, cancel, and let's start testing it. We put it at 0.01 graduation, and we go in, one in, one out on it, a little bit camera shy situation. It's supposed to be one graduation over, and there it is, one graduation over. I'm gonna go the other way. I went wrong way. I'm going to go the other way. For 0, we should have 0 readout. Again, we have 0 readout, and I'm going to go one up, one down, or to change the direction. One up, one down. One up, one down. One up, one down. That's actually a backlash on it. So if there is at 0 and moves one graduation, that means the backlash set up on it by the computer on a computer. If it's correct, we have it at 0 here. If it's correctly set up, then the gauge behaves good. And let's see, the backlash, it's at 5, so it's like on brand new machine. And readout, it's perfect, so it's good. Right now, let's do a test on it, how it repeats. We're gonna drive in and drive out. And let's drive out at 0.1. That's gonna be faster. That's at 0.1 right here. And we'll driving in, let's drive out. And let's drive in again. And so it's 0 right here on the screen. And our gauge is supposed to read 0. We should have on the gauge 0 readout if everything is perfect and good on it. And there it is at 0, so it repeats perfect. This is overall very nice machine, very nice machine. The backlash spindles, they behave beautiful. It wasn't used a lot, so that's a reason. And next video I'm gonna go over the machine, open up the cabinets, tune it off, and show you all the mechanical stuff with it and everything. Just overview of the machine when it's turned off, with all the electronics.